1. Gorilla Super Glue with Brush and Nozzle Applicator. Clear Glue Asterisk. This is one of the most reliable types of super glue to have for your projects. It is known for its strength and relatively swift set time. It is ordinarily designed for repairing long-lasting materials and provides instantaneous results. This superglue is made from acrylate formula, which gives it high performance and also has a reinforcement that helps in increasing the power of resistance. Features and benefits. Impact Tough. It is made of unique rubber elements that make it strong enough to enhance the strength and impact resistance of a bond. This is essential because it ensures that the bonded materials stick intensely, giving you the best results for your task. 2. GACH 12002IN1 Superglue with Brush Applicator and Nozzle Asterisk. This craft glue gives a new dimension to bonding given that it is made of components that provide it with industrial strength for robust bonding. It is also non-flammable, which makes it safe for usage in homes without the fear of causing a fire. Features and benefits. This glue takes a few minutes before it fully dries, which gives you enough time of about 5 minutes to make adjustments before the glue takes effect entirely. With this, the possibility of making mistakes is reduced as it allows you to make amends in joining the particular material that you want to bond. It is waterproof. For this, it is of the essence, because when bonding materials, you are assured that the bond will stay safe even when exposed to moisture. You do not necessarily need to worry about spillage of water on the bonds because it will have no effect on it. It is versatile and can be used for bonding some materials, thus making it ideal for you to use it in different types of materials, including gluing wood. 3. GREGAL Superglue Thin Superfast Cyanoacrylate Adhesive Asterisk. This is one of the products manufactured by Gregal, a renowned brand with over 50 years in the industry. The brand has been providing the best quality adhesives, resulting from improvements based on relentless research and development. Its Ultra Gel Blue, mentioned above, is designed for instant bonding that provides ideal impact and causes resistance even in the harshest weather conditions. It is made of a rubber-toughened formula which is safe for outdoor activities. Features and benefits. It is designed with a rubber-infused technology that gives it the ability to create supple bonds on the specific materials that you are applying it on. It works well in all weather conditions. The impact of this is that you need not to worry about the existing weather condition when using this particular glue and bonding your materials, since it remains effective notwithstanding whether the condition is hot or cold. It is resistant to twisting and pulling or any other kind of impact. What this suggests is that once you have applied this glue on the two surfaces that you want to bond, and the bonding occurs, you will be sure of getting a stronger bonding that cannot be easily broken from the impact of twisting or turning. 4. 3-gram pack of 12 single-use superglue gel asterisk. The professional-grade superglue above is manufactured by the Glue Masters, one of the most reputable producers of high-quality glues of all time. The adhesive provides bonding solutions based on the basis that you prefer, be it permanent or temporary. It is manufactured with an industrial-grade cyanoacrylate CA formulation, which enhances its strength regarding bonding and ultimate success. To ensure that you get what you necessarily deserve from your projects. Features and benefits. It settles rather quickly and takes approximately 50 seconds to dry up. This is essential as it allows you to fix your projects within the shortest possible time and still get desirable results out of it. The viscosity of this glue is well balanced. 5. Crazy Glue Asterisk. The glue is known for its ability to create strong bonds that would stay for a very long time without corroding the surface of the particular material applied. It comes with a brush-on applicator which is used in ensuring that the glue gets to the hard to reach sections of the particular surface, thus giving you the desirable outcome and long-lasting bonding. Features and benefits. When it dries, it leaves a clear surface but later on changes to purple. This is to make it possible for you to see the exact section where this particular glue has been applied on the surface, making it easy to control the specific action you would like to perform on it. It is suitable for bonding hard-to-reach surfaces, given that it has a brush-on feature that enables it to get into such areas with a hassle.